Are your WordPress posts suddenly showing 404 errors? These errors can frustrate users and even hurt your search rankings. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the simple steps to fix WordPress 404 errors. Hey guys, it's James from gigapress.net. A 404 error, also known as a 404 not found, is a standard HTTP status code that indicates the server cannot locate the requested web page. It could be a missing post, a moved page, or even a small mistake in your permalink settings. These errors disrupt user experience, and it can negatively impact SEO rankings if not resolved quickly. To troubleshoot the WordPress 404 error, first, you need to check the permalinks. Sometimes the simplest fix is the most effective. WordPress uses permalinks to create the URLs for your posts. If your permalink settings are incorrect or have been changed without proper redirects, users may encounter 404 errors. Open your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Settings, and click Permalinks. Review your current settings. Make sure your permalink structure is set to your preferred format. And even if you haven't made any changes, simply click the Save Changes button to refresh the permalink settings. This action can sometimes resolve the 404 error by updating the permalink structure across your site. If checking permalinks didn't work, the next step is your htaccess file. This file controls how WordPress handles URLs, and sometimes it gets corrupted. You can find this file in the root directory of your WordPress installation. Use an FTP client like FileZilla or CyberDuck, or your web host file manager to access it. Open the file and replace its contents with the default WordPress code. Save the changes and upload the updated htaccess file back to your server. This should resolve any issues related to corrupted htaccess settings. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to identify and resolve common causes of 404 errors in WordPress. If the basic troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the 404 error issue on your WordPress site, it's time to explore more advanced solutions. Here are some advanced troubleshooting techniques. Plugins can sometimes interfere with the functionality of your WordPress site, leading to 404 errors. To identify if a plugin is causing the issue, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to the Plugins section in the sidebar. Select All Plugins and choose Deactivate from the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. After deactivating all plugins, check if the 404 errors persist. If the errors are resolved, one of the plugins is likely the culprit. Reactivate plugins one by one until you find the one causing the problem. Once identified, consider looking for alternative plugins, updating it to the latest version, or contacting the plugin developer for support. Besides the plugins, sometimes the theme you're using might be causing 404 errors due to compatibility issues or coding errors. Switching temporarily to a default theme like 2025 can help you identify theme-related issues. Go to the Appearance section in the left sidebar, switch to a default WordPress theme, and activate. After activating the default theme, check if the 404 errors are resolved. If they are, your original theme might be causing the issue. If the theme is the problem, you can either reach out to the theme developer for support, check for updates, or consider using a different theme. If none of these options worked, there are a few more steps you can take. Clear your browser cache to make sure outdated data isn't causing the error. Set up 301 redirects for missing pages using a plugin like Redirection, so visitors are sent to the correct page. Update WordPress URLs in the database if you've migrated your site or changed domains. Lastly, if 404 errors persist, it could be a server-level issue. Your hosting provider can check server logs and fix misconfigurations that you might not have access to. By providing them with a detailed account of the troubleshooting steps you've already taken, you enable them to pinpoint the root cause more efficiently. And that's it! Fixing WordPress 404 errors keeps your site running smoothly, protects your search rankings, and creates a better experience for your visitors. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.